Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I want to show you how you can unpair your Apple Watch and your iPhone. And the reason why you would want to unpair your Apple Watch and iPhone is because let's say if you are trying to get rid of your Apple Watch and no longer need one, or if you're just trying to buy a new Apple Watch and so you're trying to get rid of the old one and then repair the new one, along with if you're just trying to sell your Apple Watch as well. There's a whole different process to that, but keep watching to the end of the video so you can learn how you can actually unpair it successfully and all the way through. But the first thing that you want to do in order to successfully unpair the Apple Watch is you want to unlock your Apple Watch and go to the main screen. Same thing with like your iPhone here. If you have it unlocked already, that's a good thing. And the first thing that we need to do is we need to go into your Watch app. So when you're in your Watch app, you should see these settings here. And where we want to go is go to General, all the way down, it will say Reset. And then in Reset, there is Erase Apple Watch Contents and Settings up here. So when you hit that, there's Erase All Content and Settings. Erase All Content and Settings. Now, this is the important part. If you are trying to, reset your Apple Watch for some reason, if it's malfunctioning, you can have the Keep Cellular plan. If you are trying to get a new Apple Watch and replacing the old one with a new one, Keep Cellular plan. If you're trying to get rid of your Apple Watch together, or if you're trying to sell your Apple Watch to somebody else, hit Remove Cellular plan. Since I'm just showing you how to unpair your Apple Watch, I'm just going to hit Keep Cellular Plan. Now you want to enter in your Apple ID, so that way it unlocks or removes the Apple ID from the Apple Watch. So you'll go ahead and hit that. And then on the very, very top, hit Erase. And when you hit Erase, the Apple Watch itself will have a little dial in the middle there, showing Apple logo, and then it will have the Apple Watch unpaired. Now, if you're trying to reset your Apple Watch on your Apple Watch itself, where you would want to go is you go to your settings and then you go to General. And then if you go all the way down where it says Reset, you hit Reset, and then it will tell you Erase All Content and Settings. It's going to have you enter in your passcode, and then it'll tell you what you would want to do. So similar to what you saw on the Apple phone, if you wanted to hit Erase All, that's going to erase everything on the Apple Watch. If you want to hit Erase All and Keep Plan, that is going to erase all, but then also keep the Apple Watch plan. Now, doing it this way, you aren't unpairing the Apple ID from your Apple Watch all the way through. You have to go back to your phone, hit Erase Apple Watch and remove Apple Watch from your Apple ID in order to do so. This will only erase the content and settings on the Apple Watch. So doing it this way, you won't be able to sell it. You won't be able to give it away. It will just reset just the current settings. But doing it this way, where you are unpairing and entering your Apple ID password, will then unpair it so you can actually give it away or sell it. But that's all it is. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any questions at all, please leave a comment box down below. And then if you have any other questions or concerns, or if you want me to make another video about the Apple Watch or a certain topic about it, please leave me a message down below as well. But until next time, I will see you all in the next video. Peace.